Problem 7.1 once again. This is where we left off, and we found that the maximum returns came from, at this point. And so we know this is the best one, but we don't know how we got here, so we need to track it back. And I haven't found an easy way. I looked a little bit, but I haven't found an easy way to find which argument in the max function is the one. There's probably a nice easy way to do that, but I haven't found it. So what I'm going to do here is do it the hard way. That's not the hard way, really. I'm going to copy the cells, and I'm just going to come up here and because they're comma delimited, you'll notice, see, they come into their own little cell, each little pair. And so if I highlight those, I can do a replace, and I'm going to replace the F. The first term. I'm going to replace the first term with an equals F. So that changes these to formulas. And what that does is it shows me now, I'll close this out, it shows me which one of these is the maximum. It's this one, right? It's this one, which comes from E27. E27 sounds like bingo. There's E27 is right there. Okay, so that's the cell we came from to get to the maximum 52. Okay, so now I have to do the same thing. Where did we come from? Which of these four did we come from to get to here? Okay. So I need to do the same thing. Like I said, it's a little labor intensive, but not, not terrible. And I can go in again and replace. Now I'm going to replace the E values, the first term, right? The E values to equals. I'm just making these formulas. All right, so there you go. And it looks like, oh, there's two of them. So I could have come from D27 or D25. Both of them give me the same number. All right, so D27 is this one, and D25 is this one. So now I need to know which one from each will I come from, to which cell here will I come from. So let's do this one first. This is the shorter one, so we can do that. So this is one path, and again, we'll go in here and replace, and we'll replace D this time because that's the first one. And you can see that it's C24 is where I'm coming from, so it's this one. If we come from that path. So what we'll do is invest. So we've finished one path. So and we really only have an obligation to find one path, I guess, for now. So invest in. Okay, 0 in stage 1. We're going to invest 10 in stage 2. And then we're going to invest 20 in stage 3. And then we'll invest the rest, 40. How do you spell 40? In stage 4. 0 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40 is equal to 70. So that's the total investment that we have available. And this will get us the maximum value of 52. If I had come here, I could track it down to find out maybe there's an alternative for stages 1 and 2. That's fine, but I don't need to for this problem.